Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp liquid glass update not working problem or how to get add WhatsApp liquid glass arrive. Step 1. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Apps Store or Play Store. Click on Search. Search WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp liquid glass update not working problem solve or how to get add WhatsApp liquid glass arrive. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.